straight true or false. Every integer is a rational number. True. Why? What is integer? Say this number line. All these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 over here up to infinity and 1, minus 2 over here up to infinity. All are integers. Why? Because an integer is a number which can be written without a fraction component. Even 0 is a integer. Okay. So let's say 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. So what is the rational number? P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. Right. So 1 can be written as 1 upon 1, 10 can be written as 10 upon 1. So everything can be written as upon P upon Q. Therefore, every integer is a rational number. Every fraction is a rational number. That is also true. Why? What is fraction? Fraction means numerical quantity which is not a whole number, means which has to be expressed in terms of P upon Q. Means the NQ should not be equal to 1. So 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. So every fraction, and what is the rational number then? Just now we saw P upon Q. So this can be P, this can be Q. So every fraction is a rational number. True. Q should not be equal to 0 in both fraction also and rational also. A rational number P upon Q is positive if both P and Q are positive or both P and Q are negative. Means both numerator and denominator should be plus or both should be minus. Yeah, that is true, because this is also positive and this is also positive. Minus minus gets cancelled. So minus 2 by 3 upon minus 3 by 3 minus 3 equals to 2 by 3. Minus gets cancelled. Next, a rational number P upon Q is negative if either P or Q is negative but not both. That's also true. Here either P or Q, 2 upon minus 3 minus, minus 2 upon 3 minus. Even if this minus is common to both, then also minus. But if both are minus 2 upon minus 3, then it is plus. So that's why this is true. If there are two rational numbers with a common denominator, then the one with the larger numerator is larger. That's true, because we have done this all the time. You check all the videos on rational numbers, it's the same. If numerators are same, if denominators are same, only numerators are to be compared, and if they are not same, then they have to be brought down to the same number. So over here 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 is greater than 2, so this fraction is greater. Minus 39 by 5 minus 40 by plus 40 by 5, 40 is greater than minus 39, so this is greater. Same over here, minus minus gets cancelled and 40 upon this. Same for this also, minus 40 by 5 is less than minus 39